Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm really excited to show you my purchase. So I recently purchased a treadmill. Murang treadmill lang sa Shopee. Liling ko sa kung saan ko siya nabili. But so far okay naman siya, no. One day ko pa lang siya na-test. But I want to share this with you guys. So pag naghahanap kayo ng murang treadmill, kasi maulan ngayon, no, hindi tayo makapag-jogging masyado sa labas. At gusto niyo everyday mag-walk, pero restricted kayo sa bahay kasi nga maulan, and then for safety na rin. So, pero wala kayong masyadong budget to buy a exercising equipment. So, this one is want to consider kasi nabili ko lang siya for about 2,500. So, napakamura niyang treadmill, electric na rin siya, with remote na rin. So, tara, check natin kung ano yung tsura ng treadmill. Okay, so guys, ito yung treadmill, no? So wala siyang armrest, yung parang handle. So flat lang siya. It's not foldable. Yan, sa halagang 2,500 with remote na siya. Tapos hindi siya ganun kalaki, no, or kahaba. Sakto lang for me. Height ko is 5'6", weight ko now is 76 kilograms to 75 on a good day. So yun, meron siyang LED dito sa taas. I think it counts to your distance. Ay, hindi, yung distance. What I meant was yung time kung gano'n na kayo katagal nagte-treadmill. Tas yung speed, makikita nyo rin dyan. I-on natin later. Tapos yung surface naman is may konting slight parang defect ba yan, yung parang connecting, yung parang ito, I'm not sure, pero hindi naman siya naka-affect sa performance. Pero yan is napakabigat niya, no, for a small treadmill. Mabigat siya, so inakit ko siya sa third floor. So nang hirap na hirap ako. So meron siya kasamang manual, of course, here. At I'm not sure what this is. Probably I'm not sure. Tapos meron siyang wrench. So, pwede nyo rin i-adjust yung height. Yung sa likod, meron din dito, adjustable. Kung gusto nyo elevated or pantay yung ano nyo, yan, meron yung adjustment. So, yun, meron din siyang variant na merong kinakabit dito na parang yung hawakan. But I opted not to buy that kasi there's an additional 300 pesos for that. And hindi ko naman siya kailangan. So, as a space saver na rin, kumuha ko na ng walang hawakan. But right now, tara, buksan natin. Open natin later, no? Ito yung may power cord dito. Tapos meron din siyang switch dito. Actually, yun lang naman yung ano niya, yung features niya. Plastic to. Everything. Ito naman is I think metal railing sa kabila. Actually, iba yung picture dun sa Shopee, iba yung itsura niya. May malaking parang LCD rito sa gitna. Nandito yung number malalaki. But ito yung nakuha kong variant. So it's a gamble talaga, no? But as long as it works, pwede na yun. So tara, open na natin. So yun, medyo may cons lang, no. So maiksi yung power cord niya, no. So gamit na lang kayo ng extension para mabuksan niyo. Ito pala yung remote niya. Plus to increase the speed on and off. I think this is mode, different modes. Ito naman yung deaccelerate button. Tapos open na natin. So yan, may beeping sound siya for turning on. Yan, then let's turn it on. May countdown siya. Yan. So under na siya sa slowest speed niya. So yan, ito meron siyang function dito. This is calories, time, step, tapos yan, speed. Hindi siya pressable, no? Akala ko napipindot siya, hindi pala. So, different modes yan. Yan, pwede nyo take, malaman yung step nyo. Yan yung speed nyo. Tapos yan, kung i-increase nyo yung speed, up nyo lang. Yan. Ayan. Hindi siya ganun kaingay, sakto lang siya. So hindi siya pwede yung parang nagsisprint kayo, no? So pang jogging lang siya and pang walking and brisk walking. Yan. Pero I would not suggest doing extreme running here kasi hindi siya built for that. I don't think. So yun. Yan. Dagdagan pa natin yung speed. Hold nyo lang yung button. Up. Yan. Yan yung highest niya is 8.0. I think that's ano lang yan, jogging. Yan. Hindi siya sprinting. So, may noise siya pero hindi naman siya nakakairita. So, pag i-off nyo siya, magde-decrease siya gradually. So, it's for safety na rin para hindi kayo madalisod. So, very basic lang yung function niya. And I'm really impressed. Okay, so yun na, very brief, very quick lang namin na demonstration using yung murang treadmill and hopefully talaga tumagal siya. And may konting napansin lang ako is medyo may squeaking noise siya, no? I think it needs parang lubricant. Oh, kasi parang maingay yung mga pag tumatakbo ka may mga squeaking noise siya. So I'm not sure if paano natin gagawin but I'll try to figure it out na hindi maalis yung noise. But so far I'm really impressed by its performance. Talagang if you want to really move after office work kasi ako dito sa work from home lang kami ng wife ko. And we usually try to move every now and then para hindi lang kami 8 hours nakaupo. So it's good for those who are work from home or mga parents na nasa bahay, nag-aalaga ng mga anak and wants to exercise. This is one to consider. So yun lang guys, if ever may questions kayo regarding this na hindi ko na napakita or nasabi dito sa video, feel free to comment down below. I'll be glad to answer all of it. I'll try to answer kung ano man yung mga questions. And thank you guys for watching. All the links will be linked down below. Saan ko siya nabili. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.